What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And y'all see it, man. Today is the day, man. We about to get to it. We about to get to it, man. Now I'm about to give y'all some train smoke with Dolo, man. Train smoke with Dolo. I'm trying to get my stuff back adjusted, man. Y'all see we got Dolo out. Well, y'all got all the cars out. Y'all know how we got all that going on at the house and stuff now. Everything. It's cars everywhere. Cars everywhere, man. Look at how we looking. I'm telling you, man, my father-in-law car, he in his truck right now, that S10 y'all keep asking me about. Got my truck, trailer, cutlass, boom, boom, boom. Everything out here, y'all see. Mr. Myers has pulled up. He done pulled up. Cuzo out here, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel. It's on the screen right now. Little Crazy Whips Addiction. Y'all make sure to do that. So, you know, now they get bagged up, probably go down the street later on, and then give y'all some burnout smoke and Dolo, and who knows what else we're gonna get into today. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we checking in, man. Y'all see by the intro, like I said, man, we about to ride today. Since Cuzo over here, man, we decided to shoot 2 different videos. We really shooting 3, cause Cuzo shooting some too. So, man, we about to just hop in rhythm and blues, cause it needs some gas in it, and it ain't been driven in probably a week, something like that. And Dolo, we're gonna ride in Dolo. So I'm gonna be in Dolo, he gonna be in rhythm and blues. We about to ride, man. We about to go get some gas and all that. You know, just to give y'all some footage, some good content. So y'all gonna check out Cuzo vlog, man. Y'all be able to see the cutlass footage, and then y'all be able to see Dolo footage on my vlog, which is what y'all watch. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned in. We finna get the camera strapped on the cars and all of that. Or we'll probably go up the street and then strap the cameras on the car first, and then we're gonna tune in. So y'all, we'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see it, we made it to the gas station. Big Dolo, rhythm and blues, R&B. We ride, man. I told Cuzo I done left my wallet at the house, man. Cuzo getting the gas right quick though. I left my wallet, man. So we just out riding, man, enjoying the day. All of that, you know, since we ain't got nothing else to do, so we just having a good time. I told Cuzo, man, hop in the cutlass, I hop in the box, and we'll just ride, man, and all of that. So that's what we doing. Finna put some gas in the cutlass, cause shoot, we ain't R&B thirsty. So we finna fill her up, and I'm finna cut y'all off so I can do this. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so we done gassed up. We got people stopping and stuff, hollering at us. I letting everybody know Cuzo got a race car. I said I'll talk. I asked him why he didn't drive his here. Then I said I forgot he got a race car. He can't come there for.
That man him, boy.
He can't come there for y'all. So look, man. So we got this what we got going on. Like I said, this camera right here is catching Dolo, and this camera right here catching rhythm and blues. So look, man, hey, I told you got the green light, man. I told you got the green light. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do with it, y'all. Y'all gonna have to take his vlog out for it. He got the green light and rhythm and blues, so I already know y'all finna see some tie smoke on the expensive tires, man. I gave my Cuzo the green light though. I ain't finna give everybody no green. Everybody ain't finna sit in the car no way. For one thing, everybody ain't nobody driving this bad, boy. So yeah, y'all stay tuned in for that. We finna give y'all some action. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see it, boy. It been an eventful day. It been an eventful day, boy. Look, it's a lot y'all didn't see. I mean, it's a lot that happened. All I gotta say, you gotta watch 2 vlogs to see it. You gotta watch Cuzo vlog. It just been an eventful day, man. That's all I can say. Look, y'all gotta watch Cuzo vlog to see rest of it. It really like a little story if you want to think about it like that. I don't know who done dropped first, or if you done saw his and now you seeing mine, then you see how it all mapped out together. But we were riding today, man. We been riding today. Cuzo's in rhythm and blues. I was in Dolo. Y'all saw me hit that thing, man. That thing got crazy. That was first, second, and third gear. And like me and Cuzo was just looking at the footage, this thing started spinning worse when I went to third. So when y'all seen all the heavy white smoke, that was third gear. And y'all seen how fast them back tires was spinning. A lot of wheel speed. So I'm telling you, man, this thing here, I had to stop, man. I had to get out of it because it would have went past the stop sign. And you know, we went all the way pedal to the metal. But you know, like I said, man, that thing here is a dog. But it been an eventful day. Hey, Cuzo, I told him, I said, it been an eventful day, ain't it? Yeah. Hey, look, y'all gotta watch. I told them they gotta watch both of the vlogs. I don't know which one of us gonna drop first, but it's some stuff in here that I ain't putting in mine. I ain't putting it in there. I told them y'all gotta go see it.
I had to do it, man.
Y'all got to see it. Like I said, I probably dropped before him, cause I be dropping quick. But so yeah, y'all, I know I'm drop for him. So y'all make sure y'all gonna have to go look at his channel, cause I told him, I said, I ain't putting it in mine. I ain't putting it in mine. But man, it was a fun day. Cuzo came over here just to chill. So I like, man, let's I said, shit, let's ride, man. Let's bust a block. So he finna help me move. Finna put all the old school back on the pad now, since they done doing what they gotta do today. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all, we back. Man, Cuzo just pulled out. We got everything put up, everything parked, covered, and all that. Go ahead and show y'all what it looking like since everything finally cleared over there. Go ahead and give y'all that update. He finally got all the trees and everything cleared out from over there. Over there, everything gone. And he had started this, but then we started, like I said, we started thinking. I had told him to go ahead, but we really started looking at it, how high that hump gonna be right there. And we were like, nah, we better wait, cause he gonna dig this down to make it level. So that's why it looked like this. He had started leveling it, and you know, it's gonna come on over. It's gonna be a pretty wide spot. Then we're gonna get him over here to pull the slab after we get that done and all that. It'll probably be next month realistically when I get that slab pulled, cause I got some other stuff going on too. And man, I'm about to put this one together. Meat's about to go together, which is gonna take a big chunk of money. I ain't finna cap to y'all. Finna take a big chunk of money for meats, even though I got the engine done already. Still gonna take some bread. So I plan on doing it in 1 month, like getting it done. Just I'm gonna buy everything. I'm probably gonna be waiting on a few parts, which is cool. But when all the parts come, I'm just gonna send it off. Then when it get put together, I won't have to go nowhere. Everything be done. I get that call, it's ready. So sometimes people be saying, man, why you don't do this and that? Y'all done seen me turn rented by now, man. It takes time to do that. That's all time consuming. And I do have a lot of stuff going on right now. Like this year, it's a lot of stuff going on that, you know, time is money. That's real deal. You don't understand till you get in that position. But time is money for real, man. That's why people pay other people to do certain things in their life and make their life easier. You have to get in that position to understand it. So that's why I'm gonna just send this thing off. Meat's gonna get put together, I'm gonna get that call, and then we're gonna be on the track with this one. This thing here gonna be a dog. Everything I'm telling y'all, y'all seen Dolo, big Dolo. Y'all seen big Dolo, it's big Dolo now. Everything I've been telling y'all is happening now. I keep telling y'all, man. But it was a fun day. Me and Cuzo busting blocks and all of that, man. Riding, like I said, it was just a fun day. Y'all got to see Dolo turn up. I keep telling y'all, man, that thing a dog, man. They're just baby in it. Ain't nothing. So I'm putting them 6s on there soon, man. I'll get me the 6s. When I find me some 6s, like I said, I don't want to put no expensive wheels on that car right now because I need a paint job. So when I find me some good used 6s, I'm gonna cop them. Some that I like. Like I said, like the way they look, I'm gonna cop them. And yeah, we're gonna go through there. So I'm gonna work on getting the nitrous done. I'm probably gonna do that at the same time Big Meat's getting done, cause that's simple. With Dolo, go ahead and run new fuel line and get it tuned for the nitrous and put them big boy pills in there, and then we're gonna go to the track and send it. Cause I'm going to get some nitrous tomorrow. I know I said in the vlog today I'm gonna get some nitrous, but I'm gonna go get some nitrous tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. I think I said in the vlog I'm gonna go get some nitrous. I can't remember. It might have been the other vlog, but anyway, we're going to get some nitrous. So yep, that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all for tuning in every day, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Make sure to go subscribe to my Cuzo and all that, and I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm out.